Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter, that is human reproduction. Human reproduction. Here we will see the definition of reproduction. I am writing the short forms. So here reproduction is the formation of new individual of its own kind by living organism. So it is the formation of new individual of their own kind. It is the characteristic feature of all living organisms, and human beings reproduce sexually, or they are sexually reproducing organisms. Human beings are reproducing sexually. All organisms are unisexual. This is a very important term. All living organisms are unisexual, means each organism is going to possess only one sex organ, either male or female. So female is going to have female reproductive organ and male is going to have only male reproductive organs. All living organisms show sexual dimorphism. This means females are different from males. They are totally different from males, from each other. Males are different from female. And why they are different from each other? Due to having different sex organs and sex hormones. Due to this, they are morphologically different. Now next we will see the different phases of reproduction. Before starting with the female and male reproductive organs, we will see in brief different phases and then we will take up in details. So now we will see the various different reproductive phases. So first reproductive phase is called as gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means the formation of gametes. Here both male and female. So we know that in sexual reproduction there is a requirement of biparent. One is male and the other is female. So this gametogenesis is also of two types. If this gametogenesis is taking place in males, then it is called as spermatogenesis. And if this gametogenesis is taking place in female's body, then it is called as oogenesis. Now, as soon as the gametes are formed, then the male gametes which is formed is going to transfer to the female reproductive tract. And this phase is called as insemination. What happens in insemination? Transfer of male gamete to female reproductive tract, where the fusion of these male and female gametes takes place. and this fusion is called as fertilization. So here in fertilization there is a fusion of male and female gametes. Once the fertilization has taken place, then after fusion the zygote will be formed. Zygote, and it is diploid. So zygote. Then what happens? The rapid cell division takes place, and this phase is called as cleavage or division phase. Here unicellular zygote will be converted into morula and then blastula, blastocyst, which is multicellular. So this phase is called as cleavage phase, in which the unicellular zygote is going to convert into morula, then blastocyst, so that it can attach to the uterine cavity of female, and this attachment is called as implantation. So what happens in implantation? There is the attachment of developing embryo, or you can say fetus, to the uterine wall. Here you can also say the attachment of blastocyst to the uterine wall. As soon as this blastocyst gets attached to the uterine cavity, then the proper connection between the developing fetus with the uterine wall of female has been developed, and this connection is called as placentation. So proper connection, it is the proper connection. I am using the short form between developing fetus and uterine wall of females. Now the next phase is gastrulation. In this gastrulation phase, what happens? The blastocyst changes to gastrula. Here the blastocyst changes to gastrula, which gives rise to three primary germ layers, and these three primary germ layers are ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. And these three primary germ layers give rise to new tissues, organs and organ system, and this phase is called as organogenesis, where the organs are formed. So here with these three germ layers, tissues, organs and organ system will develop. Now when the organ has been developed, organs has been have been developed, then the developing fetus is now fully grown and it is ready to expel out from the female's body. Then this phase is called as parturition, in which fully developed embryo is expelled out from female's body. Female's body. Here, one thing more I would like to add. The gestation period. What do you understand by this gestation period? It is the total time period from fertilization till the parturition, when the fetus is fully developed, is called as gestation period. So you can say that it is the complete embryonic development period. Complete embryonic development period.